All right, stocks 5150 here. Mic check, mic check. Pretty sure the sound's working. According to my meter, the sound is working. What we're talking about is we're waiting for our price action. Yeah, we're waiting for our price action to get our plays where we want it. The thing about options is you have things that work against you. You have things that work for you and against you. So you want to choose a delta. This is right here. You want to choose a delta. Now, to really make money, you choose your delta up in the money. And then if you think it's a call or if a put, depending on which one you're going. But we're going to stick with calls right now with this market that we're in and with this Tesla. So the call that I chose, that had a delta at the time, I think of like 0.2. It was pretty far down, you know. And like if we look now, 420, that delta is a 0.3. So it's gone up like 2 positions, 2 points. And what I need for it to hit a 0.4 or 0.5, Tesla's going to have to do more than what it's doing. The volume is pretty low, not moving as well as I would expect. But time will tell. And speaking of time, time is theta, and theta works against you because as you get closer, the further you are away from the expiration date, theta doesn't have that big of effect on you. But the closer you get, it's just like life and anything else. As the clock winds down, it seems like it speeds up, you know. So, and theta starts eating away at your profit. So if you think about your you have your strike price, you have delta on one side, and you have theta on the other side. You choose the wrong delta, then that's not going to help your profit. Your profit is in the middle, and that's going to eat away at your profit. And with time, if you stay in a position too long, theta is going to creep up, and theta going to wipe you out. So you could be going the right direction in everything, and theta can wipe you out. There's also another thing called intrinsic value and IV crush, but we're not going to speak about that. See, so today, because that's when you run into things like with the Fed meetings and all that type of stuff. Whenever they talking, with Jerome Powell talking, IV crush is real. Like you could be going the right way, chose the right direction and everything, and it just doesn't work out for you. You know what I'm saying? And so, yeah, you want to make sure that you choose wisely. Like we're sitting here now and looking at this, and Tesla is barely moving. It's at 407.97 at the moment. And again, what I needed to be is 410. I needed to break above that 410 and stay and hold above that 410 in order for me to, well, I mean, I'm profitable now. Like if you look right here, I'm at 25%. My rule is 10%. If I can do 10%, I'm good. I'm mostly doing this, I won't even lie. My ego is at play a little bit. Um, and I'm trying to get more. And I could just take this right now because I've doubled my money and that's it. But I really feel like it's more on the table. And for whatever reason today, I'm going to do it. I promise you later, I don't make promises, but I'm making one now. In the future, I think I'll do a 10 or 20% and get in and get out. But with this play right here, I'm at 25% right now. If I can get back to, well, I would love to get 100%. And yes, I know it hit 100% yesterday, but I was busy and I didn't execute. And 100% wasn't even what I thought it was going to be either. But it's okay. I will say this. I think that just holding steady, and we are at 408, so it's on the way up. If Tesla can hold above the 200. It's at the 200 right now. Let's see what it is on the higher time frames. See, it broke below my trend line right there. On the higher time frames, yeah, it's a rainy day today. let's see what we are on the 15 minute. It's 10:37. So on the 15 minute, let's see what we're looking like. The U.S. consumer prices rise 2.7 annually. That's in par on par with what they thought. So they say U.S. stocks rise after inline CPI sentiments. The Fed rate cut is next week. So next week is when that IV really hits you, and you want to be careful when you're playing with the Fed, but you don't fight the Fed, as they say. Oh, look, an hour ago, Tom Lee came out and said that the S&P 500 to hit 7,000 by mid. Let's see, what month did he say? Mid 2025s. I mean, it's at 6,000 now. Tom Lee, he is on point a lot. I can't dispute what Tom Lee says, but I will say that he seems to be, if he calls mid 2025, I'm thinking it'll probably be around the fall, like this time of the year, like towards the year end, because he called 6,000 last year and everybody looked at him like he was crazy. And here we are at the end of the year, because it wasn't at 6,000, but here we are now. So maybe by the end of the year, yeah, Tom Lee will be correct. I'll be here for it. Long-term investing. You got to have a long-term play. If you don't have the long-term at play, oh boy, you're setting yourself up. Dude, this thing did not change. I'm going to do something to see what happens here. Let's see this. Look at this Tesla. Yeah, so let's see what else we got here. Goldman Sachs remains cautious. Reference to Tesla stock says valuation is full. See, Goldman Sachs is probably what's holding my play back. Goldman Sachs is holding me back. All right, let's see. We're going to get rid of some of these. I don't need this. Shut down some of these resources. Actually, I should make another one. Should update this one. Let's see. Investments to watch. I think I'll get rid of this and I'll add Tesla in here. Micron. I don't need that. GameStop. Yeah, I don't need that. And MeTV. Not even sure what that was. Oh, that was probably a metaverse play I went on. Who knows? But we're going to get rid of that also. Delete that selection. Minimize this. Roblox. These are all stocks that I used to have, by the way. I bought Roblox because the kids like Roblox, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, well, they spending a lot of money and making money over there, so maybe I should check it out. And I did have Roblox in one of my portfolios, but I've since gotten away from it. I sold it all and I minimized it. It was one that I had for my grandkids. Yes, I do have grandkids, and I got rid of it. And the reason why I did that wasn't any money. I went back into XLK. I had XLK also back in the day. XLK is not bad, but I'm not watching it anymore. Just gonna keep this down on what I have. Do it that way. See, this I don't have anymore. Let's see, can I select more multiple? Nope, I can't. One at a time, one at a time. Delete that selection. What we looking like on Tesla's at 420, 25%. We're just holding right there at 25%. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think because tomorrow I have something to do, I may get out of it. Oh, I got some moving trucks coming. Hold on a second. Yeah, hello?
Hello, good morning. This is Robert calling in.
All right, I'm back. Had to take that phone call right quick. Let's see, where am I at? MPW. Don't even remember what that was, but we're gonna delete that. What is Tesla doing now? Let's see. Tesla's at 410 right now, so it's moving up. We are at 0.22%, 2% since the open, $9. Nvidia is on the rise, almost 1%. It's at 136.37. Google, Alphabet, that's part of my long term, and that is up 3%. That's crazy for Google. That's that quantum computing that they did. MicroStrategies is up 6%. That's too rich for my blood. Palantir, for everybody that follows Coach 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 Chris Zane. Sorry, shout out to Chris Zane. Um, Palantir, it's at 69. It's pulling back, so maybe you can get into that if you hadn't got into it. And let's see, what else? Amazon's holding up. It's at 230. It's up 2%. Alphabet, uh, Broadcom is at 179. It's up 4. I mean, everything is booming. Everything is going. I just need my plays to work out. I am in Tesla. What I'm concerned about is Tesla and SPY. And with my SPY call, I am at 55% today. It's up 55% on the day. Tesla's up 43. I mean, my other SPY position is up 625 call. That's December 31st. That's a Santa Claus rally play. That position is up 43%, but you can see overall I'm down. And on my SPY plays, I'm down, and my Caterpillar play. My Tesla plays, I'm green. Let's see what we got. This right here we'll get rid of. In case you don't know what this is, FAGIX. That's a bond mutual fund. I hold that in my 401k. I might do a video and talk about that too, managing the 401k, because you do need to manage your 401k. If you don't manage it, they'll manage it for you, and they'll be eating up your fees, eating up your money and your profits, and then when you get old, you won't even know what happened to your money, but your money will be gone, and there's nothing you can do about that. This is true. Yup. Let's see. Delete that selection. VT. I had that. Man, I had a lot of stuff I was watching. I'm not watching it now. I had this right here. Oh wait, VT, this Vanguard. Get rid of that one too. Delete that selection. Vanguard total start with VT, whatever, man. I don't know. Schwab. I have this. That's the total market fund for Schwab, and I'll get rid of that because I switched that out for SPLG, which is the S&P 500. So if I'm not watching them, why keep them, right? Exactly. All right, there we go. So we got our little watch list, more condensed. Apple is just because it's the size of Apple. That's why I have it in there. Amazon, because I'm holding Amazon. I believe in Amazon. Microsoft, the size of Microsoft. That's why I keep that in there too. But I don't trade Microsoft often. So, and I don't trade the Qs. But it's important to watch the Qs because that's kind of like how the NASDAQ is going. Get rid of this Microsoft. I ain't concerned with that because I don't even watch Microsoft. I don't trade Microsoft. All right, there we go. Tesla's at 410, 409. And get back up to 412. Will my target be hit today? I don't know, brother. I can tell you this. It's a tall order. Either way, I'll probably get out by midday. I'll get out at the end of the end of the day. That's probably when I get out. We are sitting above. What was yesterday's high? What was it yesterday? Tesla closed. Let's see. Change since close is 9. Previous close was 400. So we're sitting above that, of course. We're at 410 right now. We're going to move up. Looking like on the full chart. Price action is looking good. Which one am I concerned about? These two plays right here. 27%, and I'm at 100% on that one. So see, I said I wanted 100%, and I'm at 100%. I should call it a day. That's the 420. What do I have that order in as? I got it at 8. That's crazy. Why am I doing that, you might ask? Because I'm greedy. Well, let's take a look at this. 420. See what the price action was. It was because earlier this play was at $7 was the high. But truthfully, 100% is nothing to laugh at, nothing to sneeze at. I think I'll take that 100% in a second. See what happens after 11 midday. No, I'll get out at the end of the day. Whether it's at 8 or if it makes it to 8, that's more like a YOLO. When I have this, if you look at this order, I put this order in at 850 because Tesla can take off and go crazy, and so like see, I was about to change it to $5 and take that 100%, but look at it, it's already going up and it's gonna pass five. Then I'd be kicking myself having FOMO because I'm missing out. So what I do, which you never know what might happen overnight, I'll set the positions for higher than expected, and you may catch something on the opening when the market opens. So let's see. What we will do is have this at 850. We'll keep it there for now. We'll just watch this. Yeah, 3 days. Let's see. So Tesla's running up. We're at 411 right now, sitting at 411.20. I'm gonna have to get a faster computer graphic card because this thing is glitching. And maybe I'll shut down some of these positions. Some of these, I don't need this. Close some of this stuff out. Let's see what happens. Free up some resources. Just have this one. Yeah, looks like the market's pulling back. We're getting more new lows than we are highs. What's that all about? I can tell you what it's all about. It's because stocks are crazy. There's nothing you can do about it. Just got to sit back and enjoy the ride. SPY's at 607.25, going up. Tesla's at 411.07, making moves. Definitely making moves. This is not moving. There you go. On the 5-minute chart. Pulling back now with Tesla's at 410, 411.07. Yep, we're staying above. That's what we want. Got a wick on that one. We're at 410.85. Boy, it is raining today. If it's raining where you at, put a yes in the chat. I know. Nobody's watching this. I think maybe probably one person's watching it, but it doesn't even matter. I'm just excited that I can have Stocks 5150 Stocks of Crazy live on YouTube. This is what I'm gonna do on my days off, man. This is how I'm gonna stay out of trouble. I won't even lie to you. I'm just gonna trade, and this is gonna serve as my journal, as my diary, and rather than me journaling like entering the data on the thing, I'm gonna do it out here for everybody to see, and it's gonna be here forever until Google or YouTube chooses to delete or get rid of my account. All right, let's see. How many people get spammed all day, man? I had to take that phone call. These cats just called me telling me that he wants to help lower my mortgage and do all this crap. Man, bruh, I didn't call you. Why are you bothering me? That needs to be illegal. They need to really make it illegal. I know that's probably somebody's job. I'm sure it's somebody's job because it's somebody that's doing it. But telemarketing, like if I don't want your service, I don't know, man. Don't call me. Like leave people alone. I guess you got to do it. I don't know. Sales is sales. But if I didn't reach out to you, I don't think I should be bothered. If I didn't go onto your website and try to, request your services or say that I need your services, don't call me. Don't bother me. Like for real. Don't bother me. Leave me alone. Anyway, man, we have broken our trend line, so we're below our trend line. This is bad for Tesla. You see what I'm saying right here? This is bad. This is not good. So see, if I was disciplined, I would get out of the trade, but I'm hoping that we stand above the high where I have this. This was the high. If we can create this support right here at 408 and we stay above that, and we can push on up because the market has to do what it has to do. It just can't go straight up. It does have to go up and down. So in all actuality, in all honesty, according to my trend, I should be out of this position. If I was trading futures, I'd be in the hole right now. And I suppose, luckily, I'm not trading futures, so I don't really have to worry about that then, do I? Nope, not today. Now, according to on this lower time frame, I'm holding above because we are sitting at 409, bouncing back. But like I said, if we can hold the 408, go some support there, and pull up, then we'll be good to go. Yeah, we're sitting at 294 right now as far as the overall price. And I may get out, I may take that profit. And this is a P&L for profit and loss percentage for today. I don't know what the overall. The overall. Let's see. Do I have that even listed anywhere? What is that overall? That's unrealized. Hmm. I could add that. Let's see if we got that column. P&L unrealized percentage. Let's add that. And we'll move this up. Put it right there. Okay. It's showing 0 right now. I'm not sure why that's not populating. But today we are up 48%. But I can tell you, like this was $2 was the cost basis. Now it's at 4, so that's over 100% right there on that play. And I really could just take that and go and call it a day. Watch TV and relax. You know what I'm saying? Watch TV and relax. Will I do that? Heck no. Tesla sitting at 409.05 right now. That's up 1%. Nvidia is at 136, up 0.7%. Alphabet, crazy, 192, up 3%. They did that yesterday also. It was up 3% yesterday, which is, I don't want to say it's amazing, but for Google, but I guess it's because of that quantum computing news that they had. And, well, you know, that matters. See what else we got. Amazon stock soars, all-time high 230.09. Amazon is running. What's in the long term? Dow Chemical, if you're buying any chemical products, Dow Chemical hits a 52-week low at around 41.72. When market changes. That's because we're all trying to get rid of microplastics, I believe. I say we as in humans are trying to get rid of microplastics, and Dow Chemical, well, you know, chemicals being chemicals, man. Where are we at on this Tesla? We are at $5. We're holding our position. 6. We're sitting at 525 right now. The last, oh no, sorry. This is mine. We're at $4 on my 420 call, yeah. So it actually down. We're gonna bounce back up though. We are interested in this one right here. Actually, we have two that we're interested in, 437.50, which I may get out of that one. I'm getting out of both of these actually by the end of the day. Because tomorrow I won't be trading, I won't be here. I have other things to do. Yeah, so Google was quiet, but it's like once Google got rid of gets the DOJ off their back, I guess, they like back to business, you know. So I don't know who they well, you know, they had to get, I guess you got to kiss the ring. I don't know how it works, but now all of a sudden we accepted that, okay, well, if they have to sell Chrome, so be it. Nobody cares. All we really care about is what? YouTube. Google is cool though, because I like Google for Google Drive, and I like Google for Google Sheets. I mean, Microsoft is cool, but that's more for business related stuff because you gotta have a subscription for Microsoft. I mean, not knocking them for making money, but Google is the information business. Google gathers information. So if they offer you your sheets and your drive and everything for free, and you can pay for extra storage if you choose, but you can have those same products for free. They're gathering information, and that's what Google is all about, is data. So that's why they have it like so, you know. Who has a Toyota Tundra out there, man? Random. But I really want to get one of those trucks. I really do. Yeah. I don't think I will be getting one though, because They had that recall, and then they had to replace those engines and stuff. So I have to wait for that. Tesla, on the other hand, is what exactly is Tesla doing now? Pulling back, and what's the price of Tesla right now? Tesla is sitting at 411, so we're bouncing back up, we're pulling back, we're coming back up. My charts are definitely slow and lagging. Let's see something. What else I got going on here? I'm barely holding my 30 frames per second. I'm gonna have to get a new car or something. It's definitely gonna have to happen. Oh yeah, everything is freezing. So we are sitting at Tesla's at 411 right now, 411.81. Like I said, if I can get it, if it goes up and stays above 412, we may be good to go, brother. If we can get up and get that $8, that'll be a dream come true. I mean, I really shouldn't. I should not laugh or act like I don't understand that 100% is not a good game, but doing it for the gram. This is YouTube, not Instagram. So, yeah. Let's see. Mm. Shout out to my one of my wealth and knowledge members, young lady X. She just hit me up, told me to share my link on YouTube. So your wish is my command. I shall do it. No, I don't want to do that. Let's see. So I will share it though, and she can listen to me ramble along. I'll share it at everybody. I don't even care. There it is. Boom. Shared. Now they're all gonna laugh at me. They're all gonna laugh at me. All right. Anyway, back to this. So we are sitting at now in this position for Tesla. We are 412 market doing what the market's doing, and that's what we want. That's what we need. I feel like if we can get 415, let's see, hit okay. If we can get to 415, this will be Gucci. I said Gucci. I know. Things are freezing up. All right, there we are. We are at 412 right now and running. Go to our watch list. Where are we sitting at with Tesla right now? We are sitting at 48% on the day and 31% on the other play. So we're at 5 and 159. Tesla's at 413 and climbing. Order status. We're at 590, 591. See, this is why I didn't get out, because if I would have gotten out at 5, I would really be having FOMO right now, because it was more money left on the table. Now I do think I got an unrealistic expectation on this $5 one right here, and for that one, I may bring that down to like $4 or something. Let's go look. Let's go look and see what we at. We purchased that 437 for $1. Mm, yeah, I don't think I should be that greedy. Wait, what else? 437. Yeah, purchase that for $1. $1 equals $100 too. And options, everything is a multiple of 100. So we will sit. Maybe we will adjust that. Maybe. What should we adjust it to? What do you think we should adjust it to? I think we should adjust it to. We got it for one. Maybe go for two. No, let's change it. Let's go. Wait, hit this. Change this order. Not all. We shall change the order. We'll change this order to be realistic, and we'll go to $3. 250. I got it for 106, so I want to double it, so make 100, so two. Just do 220. All right. Sell the close. Boom. Not being greedy, lowering my expectations, bringing it back in. I'm reeling it back in slowly but surely. Again, I had those in because I was trying to get those gains. I was hoping that off of CPI market, CPI hype, like right here, that would go crazy and I would catch something on the way up. And it didn't happen. But I mean, we're still good. Our unrealized percent. This is not showing anything. I'm going to remove that. Yeah, you're gone, taking up space. So we're sitting at now, where we at? 12, 411, 411. Got a little run. Oh, the movers are here. All right, so it looks like I gotta go. I may just mute the mic and see if these plays work out for me. But the movers are here. I got something to do. Duty calls. Let's see, let's put this over here. We're at 410. That's moving. That's good. All right, stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Got things to do, so peace. I'm gonna leave the screen on though because why not? Hold up, go ahead.
What's up, y'all? Movie company.
Yeah, the movies are here. The movies all exciting.
Ain't no stream, no nothing. They can't tell.
No, but look,
No,
it's
that's
going
right.
up.
What?
The stop.
Girl,
You don't know how to read it?
no. I
So-
I mean, it's like a graph.
okay, the numbers go up. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's your future.
As time
right there.
progresses, the stock goes up and down.
Look at her. She know. She
I be,
know.
I be doing a little something, something. I be, I done tried to dip and dab in it a little bit, but I don't.
Black pepper chicken.
All right, Stocks 5150. We back on this all day all day live that we doing. Let's see where we at. We are. Oh, Tesla's falling back down, pulling back. 409, hitting a level. But the SPY is going up. It's crazy how SPY and Tesla are conversed. They work. Very rarely do they work in tandem. You know, I mean, when they do, they do. But today, yeah, pull back, pull back. SPY is at 606, 08, 85. My SPY play, if you don't hear me talking about it, it's because it's a long term and I ain't really concerned. It's a Santa. That's going to be a play on a Santa Claus rally. ChatGPT told me this morning. Yeah, I know. I asked ChatGPT. I said, what would be a good play to do? A trade GPT, sorry, whatever. But I did a play. I said, what would be a good play on SPY? And they said SPY is giving a bearish signal, and so you want to go long. If I went long, they said do a 520 strike price, expiration December 20th, 24. And that current price right now in the market was at 602. And it said to purchase that would be 8,300. So let's go and look at this. See what Trade GPT, how much money Trade GPT wants me to spend. Let's see. So SPY. Go ahead, because these plays will take care of themselves for right now. I'll get back to them later. I don't know about this microphone. Nah, I'm just rambling. Why ain't this taking SPY? Let's go here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. System's not responding. Tesla's pulling back, bouncing up. Bitcoin is at 100K. Who's buying Bitcoin? Who has $100,000? Anyway, back to this. What I was saying. This Trade GPT was telling me to purchase that option. Telling me to purchase that option for current prices at, let's say, a strike price of 502. I'm gonna just, without even looking at the chart, that's like $100 cheaper, behind, lower than where you at right now. that would cost you $8,000 to purchase that play. And it also says that the stop loss would be 75. So you purchase it for 83, stop loss is 75, and you take profits at 92. Now you're gonna risk $8,000 to make, what is that? 8 3 make $10,000. I mean, not bad if you could do it. Can we do it? I don't have enough money to do that. Oh, look at that big red candle. Market's going back, pulling back. It's 1125, pulling back. Yeah, breaking through the VWAP. Look, crash through the VWAP. Something must have just happened in the world for the SPY to be tanking like that. Let's check out the news. Let's see what happened. maybe Donald Trump and Elon Musk had a fist fight. But if you look, you see when SPY goes down, Tesla goes up. But Tesla still hasn't broke. It's staying up above. I mean, I can't complain about what Tesla's doing, but I really need it to go up higher because breaking news. European stock market. So this is the euro. What is it called? The euro close, and that's usually at like 11 o'clock. And the market closed higher because of the ECB meeting and it's in focus. So that's good. So we pulled back because the euro closed. But it closed higher. So that's a good thing. And Bank of Canada, they cut interest rates. So that's a good thing. I just think that pullback was just because the euro closed. That's all. And everybody's doing what they do over there. Tesla, on the other hand, is still up. We are good. Check this out. So tomorrow, which is Thursday, Trump is scheduled to ring the New York Stock Exchange opening bell on Thursday. Yeah, so I'm thinking that all the Trump supporters is going to be investing and the market's going to go crazy. Why? Because of Donald Trump ringing the bell. Hey, stocks are crazy. Stocks are crazy. Stocks are going at all-time highs. We're getting new highs right now. And look at this. Tesla's breaking through. Now, that candle right there, that's what I want to see. That's a strong candle. No wick on it and nothing. If we can wick up and we can get above 412.50, then we cooking with grease. We're cooking with grease, and that's what we want. We want to break above that, break that 412.50 level, and stay above that. And that can happen. This is why I didn't close my position earlier. Let's go back and look. This needs to be reset. Close that. All right, so I did change that 437.50 call. I think I changed it to $3. $3 is still because the 437.50 I purchased it for 1 and I changed the order to 3. We're at 184 right now, so we'll see what happens on that. Try not to be too greedy. Duplicate. What is happening with Tesla? Tesla is at gold is up. Tesla is at 412, 412.99. That's what we wanted. We needed to break that 412.50, and we did. right, so that's pending. We got that order price in it for 220, and we'll let that stay right there. We'll see what happens. We're still gonna hold this 850. That's the dream play. But at the end of the day, whatever it is what I'm gonna take. I don't think I'm gonna play with that anymore. I'm gonna take profit. Tesla's at 412.60. Stand above 412.50. That's what we need. And you can see right here, Euro close was at 11. Market closed, went down into that. The S&P 500 did, and bam, broke up. And we're breaking an all-time high. We're going to 607. Well, high of the day, going to 607. That's what we need. What we need is greed. Greed. This is not responding. Yeah, I lost that chart. Tesla's at 580. Asking price is 580 on my play, and the other one is 184. 540. All right, starting to catch up. I'm gonna have to get a new upgraded new graphics card. That's what I think move's gonna be today. Is to purchase a graphics card. That way these streams won't be glitchy. But do I care? No. Do I care? No. Yes, I care. Of course I care. There it is. All right, Tesla's at 412.50. We are holding above 412.50. This is perfect. This is working out. This is working out. Looking good. Our 420 call is worth 525. Just ask 525. 535 is the ask now. All right, look at that. We broke below the trend, and now we're back up above the trend. So patience is key. It's key to be patient. Like if you're not patient, man, patient pays off. I mean, that's really the trick with this anything in life really, but definitely with the stock market, you have to be patient. Sometimes it takes all day, sometimes it takes all week, but be patient and it'll pay off for you. Let's see where we at now. We're at 412 running again. 412.70, 412.80, 413. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We going up. We get all the way up. See, we broke above our trend line. We're staying above it. These are all good things. So we hit 414. But remember I was talking about theta. That's what's holding my I'm at 5. Pull back 414. It's 11 o'clock. Lunchtime is usually flat. So while lunch is flat, I mean volume is not usually that much volume. Let's go to the full chart and look at this. Yeah, you can look, see the volume is down. This is on the 15-minute, but the volume is down because, well, people go to lunch, people stop trading. I don't know how it works, man, but I do know that when the volume is low and you got a doji candle at a 15-minute, indecision is in the market. They're trying to figure out if not they want to go higher or not. We did break above the high of the day, which was this 412, and if we can build on that 412.50 and build some support there, then we're working with something. Let's go ahead and chart that right quick. Let's see. We stay above this wick. Right here, that level, you can see us halfway. So we're above it. If we break in the next one, the next candle is up above there, we stay above that level, especially on the 15-minute, then we'll be good to go. We may get 420. May get 420 on Tesla. Imagine that. That would be crazy. That would be great. All right, 220 is our order. We're at 178. 850 is our order. We're at 590. I don't like this showing pending like that. I'm going to get rid of that, cancel that order altogether. When it gets to 2, I'll close it. All right, so where are we sitting at with Tesla for today? We are up 66.92%, and we are up 41.84% overall on this trade. We purchased it for $2. It's sitting at $5.60. That's over 100% right now overall. But we're trying to let the play work out. Again, remember, I was going to stay in this until Thursday. But I'm thinking that I'll get out on Thursday because I got something else to do. I won't be able to sit here with you or myself or whoever I'm sitting with. My future me. I won't be able to sit here with my future me. What is this? It's going to jail. Yeah. All right, so 560. And it is time to eat. There we go, Tesla bouncing off the 412. So see, we're creating support. If we create support at 412.50, 412.60, yeah, if we can build some support in here, then we're good. That's a good sign. We're already bouncing. You see, we hit that 412.50 3 times already. We broke above it. We hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 on the minute. 4 different times, 4 touches. And if we can stay above it, this is good. This would be better for the day. It'd be better for the close. Sitting at 413, 38, 413, 44. Going green. These are good things. Google hit a 52-week high, 191.80. If you're not invested in Google, well, you're not invested in Google. That's all. But I think Google, Amazon, you go with the top three. I just said this to somebody. Like if you're in a race and it's a race between three people, or take the S&P 500, which this is the stock market. That index, it is a race. So you got the top 500. Why would you choose company number 48? Why would you choose that? Why would you choose the company that's like number 100? Because you're like, oh, one day it'll be at the top. And no, you go with the top three. You choose the top three. And I think we all know what the top three are: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. Tesla is not even in the top three. I just trade Tesla because of the volatility. Tesla moves so much. Like literally, like if we look at this or let's go to the watch list right here. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla has been in already today from 402.38 to 415. That's a $13 range. You can make some money there. You just gotta be in there to make some money. You understand what I'm saying? Like this is the S&P 500 right here, SPY, and it moved 605 to 607. That's $2. You could snipe and try to make some money, but Tesla, if you can afford it, go trade Tesla. I don't care about Elon Musk at all. I don't care about electric cars at all. But the stock, this is what we're here for. We're here to make money. And so with that being said, you get that Tesla play, trade Tesla. Or whatever has volume behind it. You can even do it with Apple. But you see Apple is tight also. Apple trails closely with the S&P 500. See, it only trades, the range today is 247 to 250. That's $3. I mean, yeah, safe for investing. But for trading, I don't know. You want to go a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? You want to get a little bit more. Let's see, I got to take this call. Do I have to take this call? Hello? Oh, this is a spam call. Listen.
Hey, can you? Hi, this is James. How you doing today?
This is a spam call. Remove me from the call log. Don't fall for these tricks. Don't fall for the tricks. The spammers be trying to get you to say yes and no. Never. Remove me from the log, dude. Get off my business. Anyway, back where we at. We're talking about the top companies and which ones to trade. Like I said, if you want to trade, Tesla has a lot of volume, and Tesla, look at this, it's only 45 million total volume. That's more than Apple, that's more than Amazon, that's more than QQQ. That is more than, I think this is 45 million. Let's stretch this out. Yeah. Tesla, look at all that volume. Look at that. Total volume is 45 million. Bruh, why would you not trade that? You got to get in and get that money. You see what I'm saying? Even the SPY only has 10. That's moving. So right now we're pulling back. We're at 411. And so we're going to pull back. It's 1144. Let's see what's going on with that. Last trade was 411. So we broke below my level. So if we go back here and look at the charts again. Oh, we're up above. This is lagging. This is lagging. Because it's definitely 411 right there. We can see that. I'm sitting at 170 on that one. $63 profit. We are sitting at 354 on this 560. And we are actually at 411. Yeah, trade now. Last one was 480, so that play is going back down. Tesla's pulling back. Power is blipping. Got a bad storm going on right here, right now. You can look at this one right here. Yeah, that candle right there, see, it's pushing down. We need to push up. We're getting all the time, we're getting new highs. SPY is breaking up a level, breaking above. Greed, 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 but we need patience. So you don't want to jump out just because it pulled back. Tesla's at 411.78. Holding. We're gonna hold. All right, let's put this. Let's see what we canceled that order earlier. It never did cancel. Tesla's at 411.98. Wonder if I could play music on this thing. Then I'll probably get banned. They'll block my live. Yeah, that's probably what happened. All right, now it's kicking in. It's waking up. So I canceled that order. This one is pending, pending. All right, so that finally canceled. Man, it's bogged down today. We're gonna put in a new order. We're gonna do it for $2 for this 437.50. So you just select it. This is the one, and we purchased that for 106. So we're gonna do 220. Sell to close. We'll do 210. 2.1. Sell to close, and we'll do it for good to cancel or good to close, good to cancel. And there it is. Enter that order. Where are we at on Tesla right now? We're sitting at 411.98, so we're pulling back. 411.98, pulling back. The charts are showing 413, 412.30. And the ask here, this has hit $5 twice today, 3 or 4 times today. It's been sitting at that. I think I'll get out at 5. I'm gonna change this order and take that. It says 2, that'll be $300. $300, yeah, that'll be fair. So we're gonna change this order to. Let's go see what was this for the day. Oh, I got rid of that chart. Yeah, let's change this from right here from 480 to $5. Change this order. From 850. That is like a lot. We'll change that to $5. We'll take that. We're at 485. Change it to $5. $4.90. I should have entered 520. I think greed is catching me again. But we got $5 in, so we'll see what happens. So we're sitting and we're at 485. I'm waiting for $5 to hit. $5 a hit, and then we'll get out. Okay, so that canceled. So I'm gonna change this. Sell to close. Yeah, no, I'm being greedy. 5. What did I pay for that? 501. 201. So I want to do 510. All right. That'll give me an even 300. 510. We're at 455. Got that to 210. All right, so we're gonna sit and wait for those to execute. It's January 17th when on Tesla 600. I'm up on that one also. 195. That was one that I rolled the other day, but I'm gonna stay in that because got time on that. That one should take me to at least 3 or so. We shall see. What is Tesla doing now? Tesla's price is 411.26, so still pulling back. The chart showing something different, but this thing is glitching. I'm showing right now, showing 412.66 is my level. 411.06 is where we at. $411 even, so it's pulling back. Lunchtime. Zero. Look at that volume. It's super low. Super low. MACD cross is going up though. Tesla's pushing up. 411.47. 411.39. 34 pulling back just to get a little breather. Volume is light. I say it's light, but it's still sitting at 47 million. There's money to be made. There is money to be made. So right now we are sitting at 475 on that play. We got a $5 one on that. We got 137 on that. We got $2 on that. So we are holding. We're 292 on this. We got it for 191. We can't close out on all of this stuff. But like I said, we got January 17th. We're gonna hold that one through. And these Santa Claus rally plays that I have on the SPY, not looking so good. Well, I got one that just came green. Look at that. December 20th, 6:15 call. Wait, what? Hold on. Is that not what Trade GPT told me to do this morning? Am I already doing something that Trade GPT told me to do? Let's look and see what Trade GPT said December 20th, okay? And it said what strike price did it give? It gave a 520 strike price. Yeah. Brother don't have that kind of money. We got to keep it where we at. You know what I'm saying? That 520 delta. Good God Almighty. That thing is so far in the money. My system is glitching so bad. I'm afraid to try, but I'm going to try it anyway. See what happens. Try and change this. Okay, if we retrieve the options chain. Okay, so Trade GPT said that I should do a December 20th, 520. So December 20th. Today is the 13th. Today is the 11th. So this is like a week out. 7 days. Oh man, December 20th. Okay. So December 20th, strike price would be 520. Okay. Let's go to 520. You can see, if you don't know options, the shaded areas, you can choose whatever color you want. These are in the money positions. So this is the call side and this is the put side. This is if you think the market's going down, you do puts, like you put something down. This is the call side if you think the market's going up, like you call someone up. All right, so put someone down, call someone up. Put something down, call something up. All right, so 520 is what Trade GPT said. Good gracious, this is like, how far? This is like Nancy Pelosi money. Oh, you like 520. Okay. Man, look at this. It's only 7 total contracts open. The open interest is 3,700. Wow. What is that delta? 0.99. No wonder they say you can't lose. That would cost you, this is 88. You multiply it by 100. This is $8,000. That is crazy. I mean, if you got it, you got it. If you got it, you got it. Go for it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at you, bro. I'll tell you what, though. I don't have no Nancy Pelosi money. We got to get down here to these deltas where I can live. Look at that. Wow, it takes like a year to save up enough money to do one of these plays. But there's people in them. Look at this total. Nope, nobody's there. It was 5 people here at the 540. That's a $6,000 call, open interest. 1,400. Look at this. Wow. These are all probably senators and congressmen and people like that are rich. They can afford to do that. Warren Buffett and them. Warren Buffett is probably here, if you be honest. Warren Buffett is probably that person right there. Just making money. That's all he's doing. Anyway, the delta of a 9, that's crazy. That means that the price will move like 99 cents with each move that the S&P moves. So let's go on back down here to the real world. When we get to it. If I move too much and I lock my screen up again. Tell you what, I'm definitely getting a graphics card today. That's going to be in the rain. I'm leaving and going and getting the Delta's card, graphics card. All right, so something went through. Something was executed. We made some money somewhere. It's just not showing up here. Let's go to the order status. Complete. I changed that to 510, 515, boom. Got it. Now, I got to not have FOMO. So I changed that order from from $8 to 515. 510. I think I went into that position at $2 or something like that. So Can't complain about that. I'm sure that's a gain. I know that's a gain. Now next we're waiting for this one right here to go up. Let's see what do we have right here. Let's show what we got. All right, $300. Made $300 on that play. So cash that out. That play right there brought us $300. Yep. Yep, buddy. Got it green. Got it good. All right, so where we at now? Now we are waiting for this one to hit $2. And where are we at? Where does it sit at? We are sitting at 148, 210. All right. This right here, we purchased that for 191. And we are waiting for that one to get to, I think we'll get out of that one when it hits 100%. So 291. That's not 100, that's $100. We're already at $200. We could get out, but I really do believe that one is going to go more because I'm going to wait that one out. All right, so we're back to what we're talking about with the SPY stuff. So let's get down here. This is normally where I trade at. I trade around the 5 and the 6 deltas. 5 and the 6 deltas. You know. But TradeGPT told me. What else did TradeGPT tell you today? TradeGPT also told me if I wanted to do something with Tesla, let's go with that. Because that is where we trade the volume on Tesla. So we're already green for today. We got 3. Look at it running. Now it's at 415. See, this is the tricky part, the FOMO. Because if I go back here and I look at the order status, now it's at 505, 510. It'll probably run all the way up to 8, which is where I had it at, which would be sickening. But we don't think about that. We take what we get and we take our profits. We're just here to snatch the money. Because we had a 420. No, that was not a 420. It better not be. That's December 20th. December 13th, 420 call. Ooh, I'm going to... Okay, so where am I at? Oh, because I'm in December. Man, I was about to string if that thing had hit 12 that quick. Go back here to December 13th. Whew, that was close. I was about to pick the laptop up and throw it. All right, 420 is at 520. Okay, we cool. I do think it could hit that 7 or 8 where I targeted for, but we're good with that 300. We ain't gonna talk about it no more. It's over. All right, let's see where we at now. We here. I'm gonna get 2 on that. TradeGPT, what did you tell me to do today? It said I should do a strike price of 300 on. Yeah, they want to put you in the money, brother. They put you in the money. Like, you got to... Okay, here it is. This is how much a 300 strike price would cost on Tesla. Right there. That's that. That's $11,000. That's almost... Yeah, that's crazy. But it said the buy call for 105. And if you can see, it is at 113 now, so you would be green. And it said to get out at 115, and that would be the profit. I mean, it's not lying, so you could risk it. And you could, if you have the money to go, why not? Because it definitely happened. All right, so we're running up now. And will we go into another trade? No. We're just going to stay where we at. Like I said, this right here is 106. We set that for 210. We'll wait for that, and that'll give us 100. So that'll make us have a $400 day. All right? Yeah. Oh, and what I need to do so I don't have so much FOMO is once I enter the trade, I change these filters. And I don't want to see what's completed. That way I don't think about it no more. Because that messes with my mental. And we don't need that. Do we? No. This right here is at 2. This was I rolled this one, and that position that I rolled, it was at 118. It was a 118 loss. So I recovered that already. So I technically could get out, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to hold, and we're going to see if it gets to 600. Now my SPY December 20th call, that's up right now. 101. December 20th is next week. We shall wait because we are trying to capitalize on this Santa Claus rally. This has a long way to go, but we'll see what happens with that too. Next position, let's look at this. So what am I going to talk about? I'm going to say we're holding at 412. I'm not going to enter any more positions. I'm going to just stay with the ones that I have and call it a day. $152. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just stay with the ones I have. Because I want to end the day green, and that is what I did. So we're up 300 bags, 300, not racks, $300. What is what can I do? I can go get something to eat now. I can afford to go to dang on McDonald's or somewhere, man. Get me one of those new Big Mac chicken sandwiches. No, I'm not gonna do that because we don't eat that crap no more. We're doing better. We gotta do better. One must do better at all things that you try to do and strive at life. You must do better, no matter what it is. Gotta do better. What else we got here? Caterpillar, that position is not working out well. I did that just listening to somebody on YouTube, and that's what I get for doing that. Neo is up. All right, Tesla's falling back down now. We're at 412. Yeah, that was a huge red candle right there. That one was not playing. He was not playing. See, that's something, if I was really in it rolling, I would have bought a put on 415 because it was hitting resistance. But no, I'm not gambling today. And it's a green market. Like, we're above the 200. Reasons not to put a put, to buy a put. We're above the 200. Well, that's my trend line, but we're above the 200 and we're above the 31 and the 9 EMA. There's no reason to buy a put. If you're above the 200, don't buy puts. At least that's what I'm saying. So, and everything is green. Like the Russell's up and SPY's up. So you don't want to get caught in your emotions and like try to catch it on the other side. Like, ooh, it ran up, so I'm going to catch it there. There's people that do that, but those cats are sniping. So if you was sniping, yeah, you could have got that, but I'm not sniping. And if you do that, you want to do that kind of maybe like down here out of the money, I guess. I don't know. But that pulled back, so check this out because I said it. We're going to go with let's see, what can I play a play? Can I do a play? Let's see, this right here is bouncing 413. 411. We're 411.77 right now. 411.77. So what could I do? If I was to take it up and bounced off the 9, I think I waited too long. I was gonna say I could take advantage of something cheap, do a quick little play, a little snipe, and catch it when it rises back up to there. But my MACD is down, turning down, not good. So I'll wait. I will wait. because it'll probably come back down and catch this right here, bounce and come back up. So I'll stall out. Now what I'm thinking about, if I do what I said I wasn't gonna do, which is go into another position, we're at the top of the market, right? So you kind of don't want to do nothing like right now, you know, unless you're gonna do a put and capitalize on that. See, we went below there. MACD is turning down, so we could do a real quick one. Only if it breaks below that. I don't think so. I think I'll just stay out. Let's see, that's $1. See, it bounced. Just building support right here to 412.60, 412.50. No, that doesn't make sense to go into that. We won't do that. I think what I could do, we are at 412.02, 12.04, we're going up. So we're gonna stay above that too. If we're gonna stay above there. So real quick snipe. Who votes for a real quick snipe? I vote for a real quick snipe. We'll say this. $116. All right, that executed. You're gonna watch me gamble now. I'm getting ready to gamble. So it's 116. What exactly is that? 440. A 440 call. And we shall. Let's see what that was today. So we'll do this on link one. Link one. Oh, links there. Link one. 440 call. Let's see what that looked like. Look at that, pulling all the way back. 412. Remember, 10% is all we need to get, so we'll get out of this. At 130. %10 is all we need. Sitting at 129. Bam, gone. 10%. That is how I'm supposed to do it. Just get 10% every day. Boom, 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 and then we're out. That was green. Let's see, order status. Let's take a look. You can't make 10% in the bank, you know, in your savings account or your checking account. Options, man. The stock market is the way to go. Oh wait, there it is. Executed 130. So we saw I purchased that play. Oh, it's still open on that. So let's go back here. Let's change these. Let's go to what we did. We did completed. All right, so I purchased that for 116 and I got out 130. There it is. That was my 10%. That was all I needed. Right? 116, 130. And that was, what did that make? 116, 130. That's only $14, but that was 10%. That's all you need. Be in and out. $14, and let's say so you get a job nowadays, and most jobs they hire you and they paying you $15 an hour or something. Minimum wage is $7 an hour. That was made in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we made an hour's worth of money. In 2 minutes. I'm gonna end it on that, man. In 2 minutes, you made an hour's worth of money. Not to mention, this I held longer, so I can't compare that. But still, we're up today. We got green today, and we are at 321. So 321 for the day. God is good. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. You know what I'm saying? And we are getting ready to be out. Peace.